hiding from Derrel. Oh shit, he's pulling up right now. I'm gonna try to scare him. I'm gonna try to scare him. Look. Yeah, you see that stick? So I got 2 of them. I'm not talking about those 2.
Nigga, you gay.
Oh, this nigga think he's somebody. This nigga think he's somebody. We gonna catch his ass. We gonna get his ass. So, welcome back to Illume. This is Dono Too Funny, or your boy Cozy. I haven't did a vlog in a minute. It's raining and it's Sunday, and the family is in town, so we're probably gonna try to slide the boy. I tried to slide her like once or twice earlier, and she did not go. I haven't seen some of the boys in a minute. Missed a lot of the Bad Drivers Club. Hopefully they're out there, you know. But I'm using the GoPro right now. Hopefully I get some really good footage on here. But yeah, he just got out the car. No. Oh, he's getting out right now. Oh, so he always go the back way. 1, 2, 3. Get out, get your money. Oh, hell no.
What's the bag and the charger that I gave your ass?
What bag and a charger?
I gave you a charger.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I swear to God you did.
I swear to God I did.
Nah, cause the bitch won't play. You won't play. I'll play stupid. I'll play funky with you.
It's not here.
Cause I gave you the bag.
It's not here. I promise you. I looked all over the garage. I remember we talked about this the last time. I came to you and no, dog. I ain't lose. Somebody had to pick that bad boy up. No, I got. Yeah, man. Let's just die. Hey, let's go surprise Q. Let's take a shot. Oh, where he at? Where he at? Where he at? Where the fuck he at? He ain't in the bathroom. You just was in here.
Smell like bitch in here. All y'all smell like bitch to me.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply.
When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on one. Why you taking pictures in that land, you don't own one? Shades on my face, now you already need to call. Then I get a match break.
Now I can scream that we made it. Now everywhere I go, they say congratulations.
When I argue with my girl, it's like an exit.
Ready for a shot? Huh? Of course. Oh yeah, put on the table upstairs. They ain't like Terry's Black, but I went there for work and they gave us they gave me like 2 free sandwiches. Hey, it's a good happy Sunday. The family.
Now I can scream that we made it.
You ready?
I was just thinking how great it would be to go for a ride. How about you do the driving and I pack us a nice little picnic lunch?
She said attached to me. She wanna go for a ride tonight. I said, hard to show you, babe. She said, I'll see you at the mountain. She said attached to me. She wanna go for a ride tonight. I said, hard to show you, babe. She said, I'll see you at the mountain.
Was gonna reach out to you right now, but I just CBA with the stress. Don't even put it on your mum's life. All that's promised in life is death. Didn't wanna break your heart, but if you want, I'll say it with chest. I go so hard, I'm D&D, cause I can't be broken low like them. It was that deep, me in the backseat thinking, yo, let's get them guys. K got locked just recently, and now it got me thinking twice. Only right that I got me a wife. When I'm single, I cannot focus, yo. You man feel outspoken, me, I just feel like I can't be open. Each and every one of us got motion, so are the.
All right. Show him what you working with. Show him what you working with. Show him what you working with. Hey, smack that thing.
Nigga, you gay.
Looking at me?
This is not gonna fuck, boy. Okay, boy. Okay, boy, hit that Hit that bitch. Yeah. Bro, I haven't dripped in so long, dog. We out here with the gang. Your tire's good, dog. You got hella tread.
You got way more than me.
You got hella tread. Send that shit.
You got way more than me for sure.
Hey, let me see your hole.
Hell no.
Come on, let me send it for like 1 or 2.
No, hell.
Come on, dog. What? Let me see that hole.
Get used to it first.
So we got our own. Hey, no, y'all shit good. You got more than me.
No, you gotta check the back because I got that camber back there.
I'm good though.
Okay. Hey, bro, I got it on time lapse. Let me get one more.
I'm dropping my addy, ain't nobody coming, no party tonight. If I shut down, I'm fucking talking on bro, that's the reason.
Too much.
Hey, nah, they just started going. Hell yeah. You still got hella tread.
No,
you got hella tread, dog.
Too much.
You got one more, man. That still looking good.
Real about to go.
That still looking good.
The real about to go.
That still looking good. Hell yeah. I want to get a clip of it, for real. We gotta get a clip. You go trade her anyway, nah. Hey, run out the window,
I'm not sure yet.
No, you good. You're good. Run out there.
I was nervous.
No, breathe. Listen, breathe. Use that adrenaline. Look where you're going. I always use all my obstacles as a pivot.
Real big.
Just breathe. You're doing a good job, for real. Like, you just control the swing, and then like if you feel like it's pulling away, release off the gas a little bit. Feather it out.
Let's try one more time.
Oh, one more, right here. We got that boy in the pit, son. Nigga. We got my big bro in the pit. Nigga out here in the Charger. Hey. That nigga said we ain't playing with that shit, fool. We not playing with that shit, fool. Oh, get away from that.
I don't care if they vote, I still stay with some. They blow from the street, they don't need this gun. I ain't stop pushing, they found out your body. They trying to catch bodies, now stop running right. Get mad at me, they need to get me fine. Shook got a patch, now he look like a punk. Niggas cast him in hands, they on some fun shit.
Get up, though. You just gotta know how to whip them hoes. They be trying to fuck out. They be trying to trick on the XXT. They be getting out, though. Wait till the next one. They'll really slide.
Oh shit.
I was nervous. Them tires probably go.
Nah, they good. They got hella tread. They still got hella tread. And it's wet. It's wet and it's slippery out here, so you good.
Let her breathe.
Good.
Let her breathe.
Hell yeah. Oh shit.
I got it though.
out here, spin that thing.
Bro, that's so ass. All right, let's get it. Come on, bro. You should have told me that. I've been recording. Hey. All right, let's get it.
Oh, he said he called me in traffic, that's cap. Like I was all trusting and fist, I was black. Like they lost the means and they never got back. Like when we lost, it was sound. Little bros wanna shoot, don't wanna miss God. I don't wanna stop peace, I'm J5, not your body. I be tryna catch bodies, not stop. I need
Shit out here. That's how we do that shit out here. We outside.
Yeah, I see you.
We outside. Y'all better get the fuck. Y'all better get outside, son. Y'all better get. I can't. Yo, short ass. Yo, short ass. Let's say get out my motherfucking wig. Oh, fat ass. Couldn't even get inside that bitch.
He almost got you.
Couldn't even get inside that bitch.
He was like, I need that.
I get mad at the world when they calling me wrong. They be pulling my strings, baby, if I'm wrong. Way too much fame, I can't pull out the heart. If you ain't understanding that, just stay inside. The plug gets too hot to go out when I'm far. Like I had to learn that he wasn't wrong. I was broke with a jump for a block, never mind. Put his soul for the cause. Now he on the all when he asked for an app and watch niggas deny. That game never stopped, the chill what I'm flying. You trying to opt that I'm flocking the Apollo. Shook out a patch, now he look like a pop. Niggas cast him in hand, say they don't survive shit. Niggas cast him in hand, say they don't survive. Cast him in hand, say they don't survive. Oh, he said he called me in traffic, that's cap. Like I was out trusting their fist, I was black. Like they lost their mates and they never got back. Like when we lost shit, it was multiple pack. Like I had the B-mo, I was too tight. The ST was neat on the color exact. Like bro started swerving, full on the gas. Like bro, they don't let him on 50 to dash.
Fucking bumper hanging out. Beat this bitch. Smack the hoe. That nigga late. He got a new bumper. Put the facelift on. Smack the hoe. Smack the fucking guardrail. Yeah, beat her baby. 8.6. And it's a Toyota. Stop playing. I know y'all see the badges.
Oh, you got that too, shit?
It's a fucking Toyota. So yeah, you trying to drive for drive? You trying to drive for drive? Nah? Oh, you got cigarettes? Let me get that. Oh, hell no! I'm trying to get that drive for drive, though. I thought you got it.
You know what this
Sit in your
is?
jacket pocket.
You know what this is? Check your tires.
Oh, I got one of my things. Tire pressure. I let air out of my tires.
That's to check how much tread you got.
Oh, that's gas.
I got that.
I got a lot of tread.
That's where mine's at right now. He just did mine at 3, so the time frame almost. That's like.
You got a decent amount.
Yeah, Derrel got way more than that.
Bro, I don't got no tread.
No, wait. So you gonna put that back in? Put the green in? Yeah, but I got you.
Man, Derrel, you bitching about a fucking slide. You ain't even slide that hoe. That bitch slid that bitch once and said, let me check my tires.
I'm at a 2.
Slid that bitch once and said, let me check my tires.
I'm at a 2.
You ain't doing nothing.
Look at that.
Let me slide that hoe. Let me slide your bitch.
And then.
All right, let's go home. I want to see the videos.
All right, you know, we out here. Y'all wanna go for more slide? Hey, so we all outside, you know, cozy, Illume, Dono, Too Funny. You got
Huncho Q Montana.
And you got
Derrel 42 to find out.
DJ Derrel.
DJ Derrel! We out here, you know, closing up on the video, Illume vlog. Hey, thank you for like watching this video. Thank you for like tuning in. This is one for the chat.
Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know all that good shit. All that good shit.
We outside. We finally came out here on a beautiful Sunday. They repaved the parking lot. We came to fuck it up. It happened. Hey, so any of the Bad Drivers Club, y'all seeing this? They repaved the parking lot, so. But we already came out here, slayed this bitch a couple of times. We did our little one, little big one, fuck you. But hey, catch us on the next one. We out.